What I suggest you do is take the coil out of here and put it in here. Move this one over here. Look at your reading again. Do everything we just did in the car. Fault code. Let's click there and see exactly what the codes are. Fault code. Cylinder 4 misfire. P0304. P0300. Multiple cylinder misfire. Now, let me show y'all what I was talking about as far as trying to. Let me go under this certain screen. OBD2 monitors. Right here. This is the misfire counter. Alright. Now, let me put this car, put my foot on the brake, put it in drive. We're going to simulate a load. Now, watch. Alright, I'm revving up. I'm burning out because I'm on a slick floor. Right there, guys. Y'all see that? Cylinder 4. Did y'all see that? Right there. Oh, cylinder 4 is counting big time, guys. Yes, we have a problem in cylinder 4. That's what I mean by a good scan tool that will show you, oh, it's up to 100. So cylinder 4, that was a problem. And that was the fault code too. I'm not sure why the check engine light, I don't know if they pulled a bulb or what, but that is not a good thing to do. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to go outside under the hood and take a look at the engine, and then we're going to talk some more outside, guys. Alright, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. Yes, like I said, the patented 3.6 Pentastar. Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Look what showed up. I go to lunch, I come back. Look what I got. Some goodies. Y'all remember what we just talked about? What is this? Oh, this looked like the transmission pan gasket. I think the transmission pan come with a gasket. I know the filter is integrated in. So guys, everything I spoke about sold, right? Yes, we're using the good stuff. We're not using that Valvoline multi-use. All right, nothing against it. It's just I much rather go in with OEM 8-9 speed. What we got here? Here go the coil for the cylinder 4. Did I mention? What we got here? Oh, intake seals and gasket. Remember, guys, he also bought the oil filter adapter housing. So I have intake. Hey, spark plugs, guys. Yes, guys, stop calling spark plugs alone a tune-up. It's more to a tune-up than just spark plugs, okay? Because this is a 6-cylinder, I would need 6, right? Right, got 6 right there. So I'm thinking this is 6 quarts, 3 more, this is 9. I'm not sure we're gonna hold 9 quarts, but I have it if I need it. What we got here? Oh, y'all recognize this, don't you? Yeah, oil filter adapter housing. Yes, sir. All right, let's. I'm curious. Have they changed the revision? I think I do one of these every other day. I don't know. Let's see what number. What latest and greatest. It's brand new OEM, guys. What I highly recommend. Now, I've heard all about the Dermans and things like that, and everybody ranting and raving about it. Good things about it. Steve C suggests I try one. Okay, my next one, I might just do that. Stevie, I appreciate you watching these videos, buddy, and communicating interaction. Yes, look at that. Nice, pretty orange O-ring. Now, these are not all the same, guys. The one I put on my Journey is totally different from the early build. This is 2015, so but yeah, look how pretty the cooler is. Smack brand new. New and improved seals. I don't know. Okay, we got that to do. And what we have here, this is what I want to see, because they gave me an extra gasket, and to my knowledge, I think the gasket, yes. Ooh, they even got some screws. Yeah, the gasket is built onto the pan. All right, remember, guys, the filter is integrated into the pan, so it's a one size fit all. There's no separate filter. All right, we got the trans service. What else we got? What else we got in this goodie box? In our world, guys, we call this a gravy box. All right, remember I told you? Oh yeah, they sold a coolant flush. So I got some Valvoline additive and cleaner. I'm gonna, using the machine, approved machine, I'm gonna drain all the old coolant out, flush it out with this chemical and go back in with ta-da, Mopar. This is 10-year. All right, 50/50 pre-diluted. Do not add water, guys. All right, now what we have here. Oh yeah, they even sold the diff service. Remember I told y'all how important the diff service is? Okay, so I got some Valvoline. Interesting. They give me Valvoline and Mopar. 75W90. All right, what we have here? Oh, the injector cleaner. This is what we're gonna use to flush out the fuel injectors. Okay, so I gotta go find a tool to pull the chemical in and run the chemical through the intake manifold, through the throttle body, and that will, in essence, flush out the injectors, clean up the injectors. So they give me 2 gallons of coolant. So guys, I have a lot of work to do. I'm not gonna sit here and talk and play because I don't want to be on this all day. I'll try to fire the camera up periodically, let y'all see what's going on. The hardest part is basically, and that ain't even hard, and take up. You right there. Now guys, some of you may say or notice this is a little overlapping, right? I know, and yes, you're right. I did not charge full charge for this. Now you gotta be careful doing that because you don't know for sure if they're gonna buy this. Like say if I drop this down to an hour, just because I think they're gonna buy the spark plugs. Remember, this got to come off anyway, right? So it's a little overlapping. So because you don't know if they're gonna not buy the spark plug, just say they go, I only want this. You got 1 hour on this. Yes, that has happened before. So you got to be careful when you're doing it like this. Sometimes they'll call me and ask me, is that overlapping a little? I say, yeah, knock a little bit off. Not much. All right, but yeah, I'm doing all of this. Guys, so let me drop this camera, turn this camera off, and get to work. I got a lot of work to do. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, we back. First thing first, let's get it. Now, it was 5 o'clock last night, guys. So what I did was let the transmission drain overnight, gravity bleed. I got a lot of it out. When you do that and let it bleed or drain overnight, you get a lot out. Okay, that was my goal, to get as much out as possible. So now I'm about to remove the pan and proceed with changing the pan, filter, and the fluid. Now guys, if you don't have this luxury, like some have a drain plug, some don't, I suggest you measure how much fluid come out, so that way you can go in with the exact same amount. Because keep in mind, look around, there was no leaks. All right, so this transmission is likely still full from the factory. From birth, it's still full. The goal with this transmission, guys, is to making sure you have the proper amount of fluid in it, guys. So that is very essential. In fact, the refill procedure is kind of quite technical, okay? I'm not gonna do it that way because I got a pretty good idea. I'm gonna film as much as I can, but yeah, if you don't have the luxury of knowing how much go in it, just measure what come out. That's if you have a drain plug. Not all of them have a drain plug. All right, I got a lot of work to do. I got this transmission, I got this diff service I'm about to do. I'm gonna change the oil. A lot of little stuff they sold. Remember we talked about it yesterday. All right, guys, I can't talk too long. Let me get to work. Stay tuned. Y'all hang around. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. Remember, this is a 8-speed ZF 8 HP transmission, guys. Let's take a look inside here. Wow, guys, it's kind of clean, guys. A lot of people always ask me how these transmission holding up. All right, I do not see excessive debris, excessive any metal shavings in it. This transmission is labeled a feel for life, but I'm totally against that. I do not agree with that. At 100,000 miles, I think you should service your transmission, but from the looks of it, it is still squeaky clean, and it looks like it's going to hang around for another 200,000 miles, merely because I'm maintaining it. All right, this service job I'm doing is technically maintaining it, preventive maintenance, guys. This is a filter. Okay, yes, over time it will accumulate debris. That's its job. All right, any debris that's coming from the torque converter or any other clutches will be captured by that filter. So I am essentially helping to prolong the life of this transmission by way of servicing it. All right, just thought I'd stop and put that in there right quick. Now let me finish, guys. I got a lot of work to do. Let's get it.